So today we have a really cool opportunity to kind of come together, not as a Jeep club, but as all Jeepers, to kind of support a charity called Children's Haven. This is an event that they created called the Cherokee Jeep Run here in Georgia. They've opened up a private farm, about 2,600 acres, called Moore's Farm, and are allowing people to come out and ride the farm. They've got a couple of events going on during the day, and it's supposed to be just a beautiful ride. But the cool thing is they've reached out to all of the club presidents and admins of each club and asked them all to support this. And all the clubs have come together. We've got Cherokee County Jeepers, we got Forsyth County Jeepers, Georgia Jeep Alliance, many different clubs have come out to all support Children's Haven this weekend and raise some good money for their charity. Let's ride these trails for a little bit and explore Moore's Farm. So we're here at the Cherokee Jeep Run in Canton, Georgia, and this is to benefit Casa Haven, which is a charity that is focused on the health and well-being of children who have faced abused parents or any sort of abusement. And this is just an awesome charity to be able to kind of support, be able to put some money into that charity that they can help out more children in our area. Let's walk around and take a look at what is all going on here, because there is tons and tons of Jeeps here. You can hear the DJ in the background. We've got vendors over here. We're just gonna walk around and just kind of take a look at everything. Good. I love your dress. It's so pretty.
Say thank you.
Some last minute details.
Yes.
It looks beautiful. You guys look so cool. I love your outfit, man.
Thank you.
What? I didn't even know you were a butterfly. Help yourself, girls. Well, that's interesting.
So cute.
You actually drive it this way?
We drove 15 miles here,
Oh my goodness.
very slowly,
And it took us over an hour.
Wow.
and it held on.
That must have been some spectacle to see coming down the road.
Yeah.
And while we've had such an amazing time today, the evening was just getting started. We are going to lead these Jeeps back through Moore's Farm on an evening ride, all lit up. Thank you guys for hanging with us. See you in the next video.